Hello, friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the sandy sea, and we're going to discover some amazing sea creature. We're gonna make fun shapes in the sand. Are you ready? Let's start! Alright, let's begin with our first friend, the starfish. Very cool! Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put sand inside the shape, and then we're gonna flip it, and the shape would be good, hopefully. Alright, this is so much fun to play in the sand. Did you know that starfish can regenerate their arms? Wow! If they lose one, it can grow back, just like magic. Very cool! Alright, I think this is ready. Are you ready? Whoop! Ready to reveal? 3, 2, 1. Wow! Look at that! Very cool! Next up, we have the elegant seahorse. Wow! Alright, let's fill it with sand. I'm so excited to see how it's gonna be. Here is something cool. Seahorse are the only animals where the male give birth to the babies. Did you know that before? Very cool. Alright, I think it's almost ready. Let's just clean it. I think we need to put more here. Yeah. Alright. We clean it good. Are you ready to see the seahorse? Alright, let's go. Whoop. Oops, we put it upside down. Let's turn it, and this is the correct position. 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at that. Very cool. Alright, look, it's a seashell. Nice. Let's make a beautiful seashell shape. Okay, first we put the sand inside as much as we can. Seashells are homes for many sea creatures, like snail and clams. They carry their house on their back. That's very cool. Alright, we need to put a little bit more and clean it. I think now we are ready. Ready for the seashell? Let's go! Alright, 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at that! Very beautiful shape! And now, let's shape the sea turtle. Okay, you know the drill. First, we add the sand as much as we can. Sea turtles have been swimming in our oceans for over 100 million years. They are true ocean explorer. Very cool. Alright, ready for the sea turtle? Let's put it here. Very cool. And 3, 2, 1. There you go. Wow, beautiful. And now it's time to create a crab in the sand. Very cool. Alright, let's put the sand inside. Did you know that crabs can walk in any direction? But they usually move in sideways. Yeah, that's how they do it. Alright, let's add. Clean. And a little bit here. We have to make it very good. Alright, I think the crab is ready. let's put it over here. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and wow! Very cool! And now, here come the lobster. Alright, let's fill it with sand. Lobsters can live to be over 100 years old. They are some of the longest living creatures in the sea. That's very long. 100 years. Wow. Okay. Lobster is ready. Now let's put it over here. Ready for the big reveal? Let's go. And wow, look at the shape. Amazing. And now look at this octopus shape. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, let's fill it with sand. Did you know that octopus have 3 hearts and blue blood? Plus, they are super smart and they can solve puzzles. Wow! Alright, I think we need to add a little bit more here. Okay. Alright. It's ready. Put it here. 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at this beautiful shape. And finally, let's make a dolphin. Very cool. All right. Dolphins are very playful and intelligent. They love to jump out of the water and can even recognize themselves in the mirror. That is very cool to know. Okay, here we have the final shape. Let's put it over here. Are you ready for our final shape? 3, 2, 1, and wow, look at that. Very beautiful. Wow, look at all the amazing sea creatures we've made today. Which one was your favorite? Remember, the ocean is full of wonders. Alright, that was so much fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and we will see you on the next one. Bye bye.